Miss Burundi asanzwe bari muri kino gihe unyangahanya aho bameze neza aboneza yuko abamakiranye n'igishika cinshi hamwe na deuxième dauphine yitwa Gloire. Uyumva gute uyu mwaka n'uwanyuma kuri wewe? Uyumva gute kuba hari abandi bigeme bagiye kuja mu kibanza cyawe bariko baritoza, abandi bigeme bariko baritoza mu higanwa rya Miss Burundi? Ubutumwa kuri bo nubu
ndabahaye bonne chance, kugira courage, ntibatinya abantu.
Ego kuraba igihugu cacu aboneza yuko ari igihugu bakirana urukundo rwinshi, urukundo rudasanzwe. Nguyu unya ni Miss from Tanzania, ko murabibona asa neza.
Karibu sana Burundi, lakini tulikuwa tunataka kujua ulikuwa unajua kuhusu Miss Burundi?
Nilikuwa naiona online, lakini nikatafutwa na Miss Rosa, kanikaribisha kuja kuungana na nyie wote Miss Burundi mwaka huu, and I'm very glad I took this opportunity. I've enjoyed everything so far. I'd like to thank Miss Burundi organization, lakini pia I'd like to thank World Direct Travel for facilitating my flight. I can't wait to see what Burundi has to offer. Nimeambiwa mna chakula kizuri, so I'm really looking forward to the food.
Yes, welcome ladies and gentlemen. We're home. Murakomeze neza mu rose. Mwiriwe canke muramutse bivanye na murereye. My name is Frank, the answer. Iyi ni African TV, so ndabikaze wose ugarikana na Burundi. Ndetse mu bigiye bitandukanye. Nkuko mubona turi ku kibuga c'indege ni Aéroport International Mercure Ndadaye, aho twaje kwakira bamwe mu bantu baje guparticipa muri Miss Burundi. Hariho Miss Tanzania 2023, hakaba hariho kanuje ava muri Nigeria, aho aje serukira ishiramu Africa Celebrate, aho tuzaganira byinshi bigiye bitandukanye. Aho kandi turi kumwe na Miss Burundi ngahanya Burundi ndetse n'ivyegera vyiwe. Yes, uza kuyaga byinshi bigiye bitandukanye. Karibu sana. Nkuko mubona rero ni Miss from Tanzania ashoboye gushikana nya muri kino kibanza, abona neza yuko aje yambaye neza, asa neza n'amashugu, aje kwakigwa na Miss Burundi asanzwe bari muri kino gihe unyangahanya aho bameze neza, aboneza yuko abamakiranye n'igishika cinshi hamwe na deuxième dauphine yitwa Gloire ngahanya. Wow, ibintu bisa neza nkuko uri kubona. Kandi tubaganirize hama twege byinshi bigiye bitandukanye no mu bikorwa bimuzanye hano onya mu Burundi. Miss ni gute? Umeze neza? Urasa neza cyane. Ndamutse bakunze African TV kwanza. Miss w'igihugu uyumva gute uyu mwaka n'uwanyuma kuri wewe? Uyumva gute kuba hari abandi bigeme bagiye kuja mu kibanza cyawe?
C'est bon pour participer abandi bantu.
Ego mu kiringo cyawe yari kiringo kimeze gute, wakiriye gute?
Naragikunze bien sûr. J'aimetse neza, sinabengorane nyinshi.
Ego uno musi hari abandi bana bariko baritoza, abandi bigeme bariko baritoza mu higanwa rya Miss Burundi. Ubutumwa kuri bo nubu
ndabahaye bonne chance, kugira courage, ntibatinya abantu.
Ego ntibatinya abantu
bakubajaye.
Yes, nkuko mubona rero turi ku gace indege niho twaje kwakirira Miss wa Tanzania, aho yaje kwakirwa na Miss Burundi. Nkuko mubona ngaha neza aberewe cyane gose ngahanya, aho bananiza kudufisa igihugu ciza, igihugu c'amata n'ubuki, aho tugira ingenze nyinshi giye zitandukanye, aho tugira abantu benshi baza kuraba igihugu cacu, aboneza yuko ari igihugu bakirana urukundo rwinshi, urukundo rudasanzwe. Nguyu unya ni Miss from Tanzania, ko murabibona asa neza, ko murabibona. Yes, katuganire byinshi bigiye bitandukanye. Miss, karibu kwenye nchi yetu nzuri.
Asante.
Unajisikiaje kufika Burundi?
Nimefurahi sana, nimepokewa vizuri. I'm very glad to see everybody is very kind. I can't wait to see what Burundi has to offer. Nimeambiwa mna chakula kizuri, so I'm really looking forward to the food.
Chakula gani unataka kukula?
I want to try everything. Kila kitu nataka.
Tuko na mkeke, tuko na ndaga, tuko na sombe. Sombe unajua?
No.
Haujui sombe?
Sambo.
Yes, I know
sombe. So karibu sana Burundi, lakini tulikuwa tunataka kujua ulikuwa unajua kuhusu Miss Burundi?
Nilikuwa naiona online, lakini nikatafutwa na Miss Rosa, kanikaribisha kuja kuungana na nyie wote Miss Burundi mwaka huu, and I'm very glad I took this opportunity. I've enjoyed everything so far. I'd like to thank Miss Burundi organization, lakini pia I'd like to thank World Direct Travel for facilitating my flight.
Unatarajia nini katika finali hii ya Miss Burundi?
I can't wait to see what the beautiful girls have to offer, their talents, their drive, and the best winner take the crown.
Yes. Burundi kuna vitu vingi vizuri tena sana. Ni kitu gani ambacho wewe unataka kukiona badala ya kutoka hapa kwenye uwanja wa ndege?
I'd like to visit the urban city. I'm more of an urban girl. Like in also visit the touristic sites. Like in also like to connect with the people the most.
Okay.
Yes.
Watu wengi walikuwa wamesikia kuwa wewe ni Miss Tanzania.
Yes.
Sisi tunaweza tunajua ni mwaka gani, lakini kuna wenye hawajui.
Yes.
Wewe ni Miss Tanzania mwaka gani?
Okay. Mimi ni Miss Tanzania 2023, lakini pia bado ni reigning queen mpaka sasa hivi.
Okay.
Yes.
Vizuri sana.
What a message would you give to the girls competing in the competition?
I would tell them it's best to move correctly and not to move fast. They should be patient, and what is for you will always find you. Yes.
What made you to decide to accept the invitation to the Miss Burundi?
It's really great to have an opportunity to connect with other East African countries surrounding us. So having this opportunity to come here as an ambassador of my country, I thought it would be very good for me to also come and represent Tanzania in Burundi.
Yes. What can we expect from you and the upcoming Miss this year?
Nothing but the best. We're all working to do what we can. We are trying to build a better community with the roles that we have and the opportunities that we have been given. Would really like to take this time to give back to the community and help those in need.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. What is the advantage of being Missy?
There's so many advantages. I would like to say pageantry is a big platform. It really helps a lot of young girls to achieve their dreams. Everybody has a different purpose. Everybody has something that drives them. And so entering pageantry takes you just a step closer to what you want to achieve, because you're already an influencer, you're already somebody who inspires a lot of people. So getting that platform for people to see you, not just in your country but worldwide, is very great to help everybody achieve their dreams.
How can being Miss can help a young girl from Africa to reach the development?
Okay, as I said, pageantry is such a big platform. So using this platform very well to connect with other people worldwide I think is the main I would say the main goal, to help young girls reach where they want to be, because being in pageantry helps you get a step closer to connections, to meeting so many people. So I would say it's a really, really great opportunity for any girl who wants to.
Kuna watoto wadogo wa kike ambao waona nyinyi mamisi mnatamba mtandaoni na wapi, lakini hawajui wafanyeje ili nao wafikie sehemu ambayo mlipo.
Yeah. I would say wasubiri muda sahihi. Wakishaona muda ni sahihi, watafute watu sahihi wa kushirikiana nao, waongee nao na kuwashauri, and then they should just take the first step.
Kwa kumalizia, unaonaje nani maendeleo ya mtoto wa kike East Africa?
I believe yanaendelea vizuri compared to some years back. Naona tumefikia a stage where young girls are getting the recognition that they deserve and the opportunities that they've been seeking for a long time.
Yes. Yes. Geukia nyuma uangalie gisi Burundi yetu ni nzuri. Unaona ni nzuri?
Yes.
Asante sana. Karibu tena.
Thank you.
Rero nkuko mubona ni Miss avuye mu gihugu ca Tanzania, tuje kwakira hano onya muri kino kibanza. Yes, nkuko mubona ngo uyu unyanga anya asa neza, uko mubona kare twengera abarundi ahaje mihiganwa rya Miss Burundi, aho yakiriwe na Miss Burundi ngaha anya iwacu. Yes, nkuko mubona rero bamwakiranye igishika, bamwakiriye neza cyane gose. Yes, ni ibintu vyiza, ni ibintu bisa neza kubona abanyamahanga anya mu Burundi tubakira neza cyane gose. Yes, tujane hama kandi Miss Burundi ni kuri uyu munsi wa gatano nihigiye kuba grand final. Mwese muzoze kugira ngo ushobore kubona ivyiza vy'iwacu, ushobore kubona vyinshi bigiye bitandukanye, tubone abigeme b'abarundi beza nkuko mwakunze abandi bagiye batandukanye. Nguyu unya Miss Burundi ari kumwe na Miss Tanzania, aho baneze kubasa neza no mu kiyago ciza cyane gose. Just ni ibintu vyiza, ni ibintu bisa neza, ahari ibintu biha agaciro igihugu cyacu ciza cy'u Burundi, aho ubona neza ko ingenzi zakigwa neza cyane gose, zikakiranwa urukundo rwinshi, zikakiranwa ndetse n'umunezero udasanzwe. Yes, ibintu vyiza cyane gose ngahanya yakiriwe na Miss Burundi. Yes, tujane rero ni ku itariki 25 ahagiye kuba final. Ni final izoba ku itariki 25 z'uku kwezi nyene turimo, ni kuri uyu munsi wa gatanu. Karibu sana.
Lexi, you are welcome to Burundi.
Thank you very much. Nice to be here.
How do you feel?
Very happy. with my friend and host here. I'm very happy to be here.
It was a long journey coming here to Burundi. What did you experience during your journey?
Okay, not a long journey, just over 2 hours. You know, so it was smooth and straightforward.
For some, 2 hours may be long. For others, may be short. But we would like to know who is Lexi Mojo Eyes. Some Burundians don't know who you are. Where do you come from? What do you do?
Okay, Lexi Mojo Eyes. I am President CEO of Legendary Gold Limited.
Okay.
It's a Nigerian company, Nigerian registered company, but organizes the big Pan-African event called Africa Celebrates. That bring the whole of the continent. You know, Africans on the continent and Africans from around the world together every year to Addis Ababa, the African Union and the United Nations, to meet, to integrate, you know, to do business together, you know,
Okay, thank you. According to the climate of Nigeria or some other countries in Burundi, there is a bit different. How do you feel? Have you ever discovered any change from the climate?
Not so much, because I just arrived.
Okay.
So hopefully, I mean, as we go out, I will start experiencing
Let's say that the two countries are nicknamed the Heart of Africa.
Oh, yes.
What is special you bring to the Burundian who will be in Miss Burundi?
Say it again.
What is the special you bring to the Burundian who will be in Miss Burundi?
Sorry, I didn't
Special.
The special thing you are bringing to the Burundians who will attend the Miss Burundi final.
Oh, okay. That is my industry.
Okay.
I am comfortable with beauty contests, with models contests, and at some point in my career, I mean, my original background is fashion and modeling, you know. So at some point, I was the only African on the board of governors of the World Fashion Organization. And also at some point, I was on the board of Ford Models in New York. Ford Models is the biggest modeling agency in the world, you know. So, and I've seen beauty contests, including Miss World, Miss Universe around, you know. So this is my industry. So I'm very happy to be part of this and to also maybe give them some tips of my past experience in this field.
Okay. Any word of Kirundi?
Yes, like I was saying to His Excellency Ambassador Willie, I was saying this is going to be my adopted country.
Okay.
I'm a Nigerian, but I want to adopt Burundi as my country as well.
Okay.
So, I mean, we are one Africa. I do not see Burundi, I do not see Nigeria, I do not see Ethiopia or Botswana. I see us as one people.
Okay.
You know, and I look forward to, just like what Burundi has done, I look forward to the rest of the continent opening their doors and their borders to other Africans, so that we can really be one the way we were from the beginning.
Said one word in Kirundi, you can say Murakoze.
Murakoze.
Thank you.
Murakoze.
Murakoze.
But something I would like to know, you are leading African Celebrates. What do you think Burundi should do to join African Celebrates?
Burundi is already part of Africa Celebrates, courtesy His Excellency. He's a patron, he's our first patron, the first patron of Africa Celebrates. And he has done a lot, you know, so Burundi is already in. Burundi is part of it. You are not to join, you're already part of it.
Okay.
Courtesy him.
And the organizer of Miss Burundi is...
Oh, yes. Go on. Yes, the organizer of Miss Burundi is the country's CEO for Burundi of Africa Celebrates.
Okay. We have food which really tastes good. We have food which really tastes good.
Okay.
Which kind of food do you want to taste before, after having been comfortable in Burundi?
I wait for you guys. I don't know. You tell me. I'm open. I'm ready to eat. As far as is from here, anything you give me, I eat.
Okay.
So I look forward to that.
give him a mukeke. We can offer a mukeke.
Exactly.
Okay, fantastic.
Is a fish.
Oh, okay, good.
But that fish is special.
Okay, good.
It's liked by all the tourists.
Oh,
So when in Burundi, if you don't eat that mukeke, then you don't know Burundi's delicacies.
so I go for mukeke for a start.
Thank you, that's good. So we welcome you to Burundi and
Thank you
make sure
very
you
much.
visit this country. It's very, very beautiful.
I have told you it's my second home already, so
yeah.
don't worry, I'll be here all the time.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you.